Hey y'all, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, take a look around at all my videos. I'm a Southern cook, but I don't limit myself to that only. And my instructions for all levels of cooks. So hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Alright, today we're going to be cooking Southern buttermilk marinated fried chicken. Now, I'm going to start the marinade and all of the ingredients and how much is in the description box. The first thing, you're going to need some buttermilk. Then some hot sauce, or you can use red pepper flakes. I'm using hot sauce. I prefer Texas Pete. Some Dijon mustard and salt and pepper. And chicken, of course. Now, this is a whole cut-up chicken. I do know how to cut up my own chicken, but this is so much more convenient. You know, I like to be lazy every now and then. Alright. I should always shake my buttermilk. That way it gets the solids all mixed up together. And I'll add some Dijon mustard. Now this marinade, you want to do at least 2 hours, 2 to 8 hours. I could have done it last night, but I didn't really want to. How much hot sauce you put or red pepper flakes is totally up to you. To me, I love Texas Pete, but to me, I just want it a little bit of flavor. I don't want it to where it's hot, because I can't handle the heat. And as I said, this is just a marinade. Alright, now I'm gonna get me a baggie. I would put on gloves if I was doing anything else, but I'm just messing with the chicken right now. I'll put it in the pieces I'm gonna want in a baggie. I know some of y'all think, well, why aren't you washing it? Well, you hear both sides. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to cut my wings into flats. This is a little chicken, I'll tell you that much. I just like to cut my wings into the flats and drumettes. I'm not going to save that. You could save it for broth, but and all you do is pour this in. I want to leave a little bit of air in it, not a whole lot. And I'm going to refrigerate this for a few hours. It's going to be a little while. It's still morning here. So, we'll bring you back for the next part. My chicken has been marinating for about, 4.5 hours. So now I'm going to get the breading ready. I'm going to add about about a cup and a half of, I'm using self-rising flour. It actually specified, so I don't think it matters. To this, I'm going to add a tablespoon of onion powder. I need to break that up too. Tablespoon of smoked paprika. Whoops. And a tablespoon of the granulated garlic. I'm not going to salt and pepper any of this. You know what? Yes, I am. I am going to add a little bit of salt. No, I'm not. Not right this second. I'll put some over. And I think that went in our dog's bowl. Oh my God.
No, it missed.
I'm going to have to add some salt over there because I'm out of in my little thing. So I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to get my oil ready. I want it to be about 350 to start with. And I'm going to drain this. And then I'm going to dredge it. I'll bring you over to the stove. We'll be right back. Okay guys, my oil is ready. So I'm going to start dredging these. Now some people actually do dredge them twice. They'll put them in the flour first and then go back and wet them again and then dredge them, but I don't want them that crispy. If it looks like it's getting brown too fast, you just need to turn down your burner. I've got mine on medium. And I'm only doing like 4 pieces at a time. I don't want it to cool down the oil that much. Alright, now these are going to cook about 7 or 8 minutes per side, for a total of about 15 minutes total. So we'll bring you back whenever all this is good and brown and get ready to be done. Hey guys, while the chicken is frying, I'm going to add another recipe for you. We're going to have some stovetop mac and cheese. And this recipe comes from the One Pot Chef Show. So I'm going to leave a link at the end screen for y'all to check him out. That's going to be my video creator shout out. Now what you're going to need in here, I have 5 cups of milk. I know it sounds a lot, but what you want to do is bring this to a boil, but you want to do it slow. Then over here, I also have a little over 2 cups of the Fiesta Blend shredded cheese. It's got cheddar, Asiago, and Monterey Jack in it. And I'm going to need about 4 cups of macaroni. So, while this is coming to a boil, you want to make sure you stir it. And I did add some pepper in it. I will not be adding salt to this because cheese is salty enough. But let's go over to the chicken real quick. Now the thighs are taking a little bit longer. But over here I have a sheet pan lined with foil, that's paper towel, that I have put my rack over. You don't put them on paper towels and just let them soak up, because that makes them all mushy. Alright, I'm gonna finish cooking these and we'll bring you back. Alright guys, the milk is ready. I'm gonna add some macaroni noodles. I'm just using the elbow. I'm adding about 4 cups. I am going to turn it down and I'm going to keep it stirred. Now we'll be back for the next part. I've got my last batch of chicken on and we'll be wrapping everything up shortly. Chicken is done and this is ready for the cheese to be added. Ooh, look how thick that is. Alright, I'm going to plate everything up and we'll see you over at the counter. Okay guys, everything is done. We have my Southern Buttermilk Marinated Fried Chicken, my Stovetop Mac and Cheese, and I just using my field peas that I had last night. There was so much left, and that's our veggie. And if we want, I've got my Amish white bread left over. Not left, well, what's left of it that I made yesterday. Alright, let me pick some my plate. I do the 5 thing. And we're going to sit back and watch the NASCAR race. It's in Las Vegas. Alright, well thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Comment below and give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it on your social media. Help my channel grow. Supper's ready, y'all. Bye.